Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Honor 8 to an Android device. First of all, go into Play Store on both devices. Then click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Following that, tap on Open. Now you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. After that, go with Receive on an Android and Send on Honor. Then tap on all of those kind of dots and choose Send in order to send all of your data. It will take some time though, so I will only go with one photo from Photos category. Click on it, tap Send and tap Got it. Sorry. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and tap on Receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on the scanning icon on an Android, choose Allow and point your device's camera at the code. Now we have to wait a bit. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you want to check it out for sure though, you can always go into, for example, File Manager, select, in my case, Ceramics, click Images and tap on Send Anywhere album. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!